Hi guys, this is again amifullest. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. Please excuse the quality of this video. I'm filming with my mobile phone and I'm in my bathroom. I want to come and do a quick slick back. You guys know slick hairstyle now is like my favorite hairstyle, my favorite go-to hairstyle. So this is my hair. I've cut my hair. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll link it in the description box. So this is the new hair moisturizer I've been using to moisturize my hair. I really like this product. It doesn't leave white residue on my head. So what I do, I take this amount because my hair is already moisturized. I just want to like add something to it. I cut my hair, you guys can see it's pretty short now. So yeah, I cut my hair and I really like it. You know, I love that short hair. For me, it's just beautiful. I feel like putting some water in my hair. 1 minute. Hi. If you guys hear my daughter in the background, please excuse that noise. I'm just gonna get ordinary water. Normally I mix water with oil, but just a little bit of water to yeah. Just to awaken my hair a little bit. So now we've done that. Trying to get a wild tooth comb and just kind of comb it. Make sure you get everything. My hair is pretty short now, but it's okay. I still like it. Yo, my new growth is crazy. My new growth hair is something else. It's been like a month since I relaxed my hair. But Lord, my new growth is something. My new growth is wild, like real wild. Like when I comb my hair now, I can feel it on the new growth, like, so yeah. And I didn't have any, this is like, this few hair is all I have shed, so that's good. I've been also using this hair repairing cream. I got this from Lidl in the Netherlands, so I have been using it now and I really like it. I bought, they're having like sales. They were selling this product, the conditioner, the shampoo, and the hair repairing cream. So I decided to actually pick the conditioner and the shampoo for my daughter. And then I was like, you know what? Let me pick up this repairing cream as well because I've recently relaxed my hair, which of course we all know. As much as we try to be like, oh, it's just hair, it's not good for your hair. It's actually damage your hair. So yeah, but what can we do? You know, we still do it. We're stubborn people. We are stubborn human beings. You know the truth, but we still go ahead and do it anyway. So now that I have moisturized my hair, I'm going to pat my hair. I'm going to do like a deep side part. Gonna see if I get a straight line. I want a straight line. And then I'm just gonna brush the hair all the way this side. I don't know if this is going to fit my face, but let's give it a try. Because normally I always do like a slick back or a middle part. Hopefully you all can see me. I don't want the hair to touch my face like this because I'm about to do my makeup. I want the hair to just go back like this. Like just go back like this. Don't touch my face. I'm gonna take this brush, like starters. I'm just gonna brush everything down smoothly. Okay. So now that we've done that, I've moisturized my hair. I have put the creams, and I'm going to take this styling gel because I want the hair to lay down. It can lay down like this, but it's still gonna like have those flyaways because there's nothing to hold it. It's just cream. So I'm gonna take a little bit. You guys can see it's not that much. I'm first gonna take this side, just gonna smooth it down like this, and then I'm gonna take a little bit more, this amount, do the back, trying to get every corner. I'm just gonna take a little bit more like this. I'm gonna try and get, I'm just gonna take the elastic, I'm gonna hold the back, not too tight, but tight enough to make everything down very nice. So now this is the end. I'm just gonna braid this one. I'm gonna braid it and I'm just gonna wrap it around the hair. So I have me some elastic here. I'm going to take it. Hope you guys can see. I'm just going to twist it around and then take elastic. Secure it like that. Now we are going to do the edges. I want to try and do something different on the edges to see if it will work. I'm just gonna put gel. I used to see these Instagram girls will do this brushing method and then they'll pass it like that. Is that how they do it? I don't know if I'm really doing it good, but anyway, let's just do. Yep, I think I did a good job. You guys can see the hair because this part is a little bit shorter, so the hair is gonna like stand out. I'm so poor when it comes to doing this part of my edges. Take a little bit more gel. Right. Oh God, you guys should not laugh at me because I have no idea when it comes to the when it comes to this baby hair thing, I have no idea. I think I did a good job, didn't I? So I'm just going to take a little bit of the gel. I'm going to put it right here. Smooth everything down. So guys, this is what everything is looking like. This side, this one, and then the back. So I'm just going to take my head tie. I'm going to tie the hair. I'm going to do my makeup, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. So please stay tuned for the finished result. So beauties, this is the finished result of the hair. I put this hair clip to just make it a little bit nicer. I've done my makeup. This is everything. If you guys want to know how I get this makeup look, don't forget to subscribe to my beauty channel at amifullest beauty. All the links will be down in the description box. Go and support your girl there. But this is the hairstyle. It's very, very beautiful. I love it, and the edges are looking good. I am so in love with sleek. You can add extra hair at the back if you want to, but I did not add anything, and this is beautiful. I'm really, really loving it. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. Like, everything is just so sleek. It's so nice. It's so simple. This has been my go-to hairstyle. This is like really, really simple, really easy, go. And I love when I have a sleek makeup look, sleek hair, and I do my makeup. I'm having no earrings, so you guys see everything is looking really, really good. Thank you all so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe once more again. This is your girl Amy Fullest. Peace out. Bye.